choreographer na nag-disappear na dyan, John Graham Ward. So, Star BT, please do the honor. Wala na po ang partner mo. Now, partner goes to...
So, Miss Photogenic is no other than candidate number. It's candidate number 7.
And may we call Jean Saburdo and Lorena de la Casada for the best production number to give the award. Lorelai and Jean Saburdo to give the award for the production number. Hindi, photogenic lang yan.
Thank you so much, candidate number 7 for Miss Photogenic.
And now, let's go for the best in production number who will receive cash and cash to be awarded by choreographer Jean Sabordo with the assistance of Lorelai de la Calzada. Goes to...
Best in production goes to candidate number... Candidate number... It's gonna be you again, candidate number 7. Driving the average score of 90%.
May we call the presence of Miss Susan Espiritu to be escorted by Mr. John Graham Ward to give the award of swimsuit award.
Okay. Best in swimsuit for Miss Calendar Girl 2025. Garnering the average score of 9.6.
Candidate number...
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, for best in swimsuit. It's gonna be you again, candidate number 7.
Oh my God.
Hangot Award.
And for the best in talent, we'll receive SAS again and cash.
Yes.
May we call Mary Joy Baltasar? Mary Joy Baltasar, please. Best in talent, our Miss Calendar Girl 2019, Miss Mary Joy Baltasar to give the award to very best in talent.
Best in talent.
Candidate
Garnering the average score of 8.8. Another Hangot Award for candidate number 7.
Kinikilabutan ako.
Yes.
Grabe, fair ang judges natin, ha? Wala yung mga grupo, whatever. And for the best in gown,
Best in gown, ladies.
may we call Beth Diaz Hizon.
Ladies, congratulations. You are all winners, okay? Don't be sad. You are all winners for us. You did a great job. All your performances, we really appreciate it.
Kasi nung talent kami, dapat may isang...
Alright, so the best, another award for Best in Gown for Miss Calendar Girl 2025. garnering the average score of 9.6.
Candidate number.
Another Howard Award for candidate number 7. Grabe, yung candidate number 7. Your hard work has been paid off.
Grabe, partner.
Yes.
Tuloy tayo, partner.
Talay-talay, another major award for Best in Seller. Sold out lahat ng tickets ng Miss Kyler Girl 2025.
May we call the manager. Hindi ba? Hindi ko pala alam kung sino. Sino ba yung ano, best? Ikaw lang nakakaalam sino ang bestseller award.
Oo nga. But anyways,
Wala akong hawak.
for the best seller for Miss Kyler 2025
Goes to.
goes to which candidate?
Wala silang idea.
Wala silang idea. Best seller, it's gonna be candidate number 8.
Miss Ogo!
Miss August.
Congratulations!
Congratulations.
Kaya ang award. Ayan, may cash and sash. And of course, meron din siyang... Ayan. Now, darling of the crowd.
Thank you so much. Another major award for best in darling of the crowd. Do you have any idea who will be the darling of the crowd? Darling of the crowd, it's gonna be you, candidate number 12.
Oh, may ano sila eh. May mga
May result na ba?
Yes.
Yes, so ang microphone mo, partner. May result na daw. Ayan. Ladies, can you please make a stand up na? Because we are now in the highlights of this. Congratulations, candidate number 7, Habuk Award. Parang grabe ang turo dyan ni Miss Elsie Cisco.
Kasi lahat ng awards nakuha ni number 7, but kaya lang yan, okay? I have here the result for the best Q&A.
Ay, wala tayong Q&A, my friend. I'm very sorry.
Wala.
We don't have Q&A. We don't have money for the Q&A. Nag-up na si Import Beauty. Ladies and gentlemen, the Q&A is there is no right and wrong kasi sa mga answer nila. Kaya there is no best or whatever. It depends to the judges kung na-appreciate nila yung kanila. And that is plus for the points of the candidates.
Alright, so it's for the Q&A, it's gonna be for additional factor of each candidate. So
Yes.
that specific question and answer will be tabulating also all the judges so that you can be able to get a higher score for each candidate.
Parang hindi pa sila tapos.
Yes, while the tabulators are still tabulating the scores,
For the 5th runner-up, 4th runner-up, siguro tawagin na lang yung mga presenters.
yes, for the 5th runner-up will receive €100 cash, sash, bouquet, and a trophy to be awarded by Bayanihan Marlia Evans and Stephen Salantes Rivera.
Yes, Stephen, please bring the crown. Ayan. And of course, the 4th runner-up,
So the 4th runner-up will receive
for the turnover of the crown, ito turn over niya ang crown.
Ah, okay. So the last year.
Yes.
But this year will receive a cash.
Yes.
So the fourth runner-up will receive 150 euro sash crown bouquet and trophy.